This is for a friend of mine in Ontario that loves Chamaerops. Okay. Okay. I'll have my camera facing up on it while Wendy's taking a video of me standing in front of the Chamaerops, or a picture, right? All right. These are Mediterranean fan palms. I remember when these things were small. I mean, these are big. Big plants. I wonder if there's any seeds on them. Look at the size of them. Aren't they beautiful? They're just absolutely gorgeous. Chamaerops humilis, growing in Goldstream on Vancouver Island, southern Vancouver Island. This is like a super palmy town. Palms everywhere, all down the streets, both sides. Season's greetings. So it is Christmas. There's your season's greetings. Christmas is coming up, just days away, right? And it is officially winter, but you wouldn't know it in this part of Canada. You would not know it is winter. Definitely not tropical, but doesn't feel like winter, not yet. Anyway, try one of those in your own garden, folks. Thanks for watching. Cheers.